Guys, I got a Lincoln MKZ here. If you have any Lincoln vehicle and you want to reservice or replace brakes and rotors on the rear axle, it's electrical brakes. So I'm going to show you how to put this car into a mode where you can service the brake, because it's not going to allow you to do it. Okay, so what you want to do is we're going to be working here with three things. You got your ignition switch, you got your gas pedal, not the brake pedal. We got nothing to do with the brake pedal. So we got our gas pedal. And over here you have the parking brake button. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push down on this, hold down on it, and then we're gonna push down on the gas pedal, and we're gonna push this button once. Okay, and the screen's gonna light up. After that, while we're holding this and the gas pedal down, we're gonna turn the ignition off and turn it back on, and it's all gonna be done very quickly and fast. So here goes nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna push this down, I'm gonna push my gas pedal all the way down, and we're gonna push the accessory button, and once it lights up, you're gonna see this thing flash. You're gonna push down on it, turn it off, and back on immediately. You're gonna start to hear the rear calipers. At this point, you can let go of the brake switch and the gas pedal, and you got the maintenance parking brake maintenance signal there, and you're gonna turn off your ignition, and it's gonna stay in this mode. Okay, just like that. It's gonna stay into that mode, and now you're able to service the back brakes. To come out of this, you're gonna do the same thing. Once you replace your back brake pads and rotors, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this outward, pull towards you, push the gas pedal, same thing, push the ignition, okay, and then everything's gonna light up again. You're gonna push down on it and start it back up. You're gonna start to hear the rear brakes in the back, and you're gonna let go of everything. Your brake light's probably gonna be flashing there, and it's gonna go out of this maintenance mode. Very simple. There you go. So pretty much now you're all set. You can start the car, pump the gas brake pedal. Once you have already changed it, pump the brake pedal a few times, start up the car, go for a test drive. Anyway, that's how you're gonna put this vehicle into a service mode. All right, after that you can shut everything off, start the engine, and you should not have any brake service maintenance symbol in the dash. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I am going to be changing the brake pads on this, so you're going to see how to do that.